last day we are saying that, sorry, this is a Australian dollar and Swiss franc for H4 chart. From the H4 chart, yesterday I was stated that we are waiting for this. This is a bullish flag. From this bullish flag, market already go here and come here. After that again go start. So it is our buy point. So making buy, or when or we can make here when we see another candle here, just from here we can make buy for aggressive trader, or for here from we can make also a buy, and it will be our stop loss. We can make a stop loss here, or we can make stop loss here, or we can write down stop loss here. Where is our target? We can set our target. Just 2 to 3-fold. From our stop loss, it will be 2-fold or 3-fold. It's the chart for British pound and Australian dollar, and for H4 time frame. From this chart, now we are finding 200 EMA represent for uptrend, because market is above the 200 EMA. From this reason, we can say that this market is uptrend market. From this uptrend market, we are searching only for buy entry. From this chart, this is forming a pattern. We know one pattern, cup and handle. This is the uptrend market. From this uptrend market, here making a cup. This is the handle, and next it will go here. So from this up and handle, our expectation that this market will come here soon. From this here, when we got any buy confirmation from this area, we can make buy according to cup and handle pattern. So we are waiting for confirmation of this candle, of this pattern. According to H1 chart, it also a uptrend market. From this uptrend market, we can make here a horizontal support. From this horizontal support, market coming in here, and from here we will making a buy. So we can think that it will be our 1.75 will be our buy point from H4 chart. So from H4 chart, it will be our buy point, and it will be our stop loss. From here we can start to buy. When we got any buy confirmation. After from here, after buy confirmation, we can make here for buy with a stop loss in this line.